Hey guys, now we're going to go ahead and start our drawing a wire lap. First thing you're going to do is grab some wire. It's already cut for you, so you don't have to worry about that length. Then so the first thing you're actually going to do is measure the length, the diameter, in millimeters. You're going to use your caliper. Again, let me go ahead and put that in there. Use calipers. Okay, and that's all good information is going to go right here. Type of wire used, it's going to be copper, initial length, initial diameter, also initial mass, so you should have a balance there. And then the number through the first run. So the draw plate is already going to be set up for you, so you don't have to worry about getting this information taken care of, but you do need to make sure that you have it right. So this is what our draw plate sort of looks like here. Okay, this is the front of it. These are the numbers that you're going to be using. That's a draw plate number. Okay, here on the back, you'll see the back of the draw plate. They are actually, the holes are tapered already to help with that pushing process, because what you're going to do is pull. You can see how one side is tapered here. You're going to pull one through the other. Okay. Now, to help you with this, there is a file, should be a file there. So you want to file one end, make it more pointed, make it easier to get through that hole to begin with. So you're going to want to, first centimeter or so, not too much. It's going to take some time, but working on that. So that's what you're going to do first. Now, pass the wire through the smallest hole that you can, the smallest die that you can, to begin with, okay? There is going to be some lubricant, some Vaseline there to help you with this. It's surprising, but it does actually work, okay? And then you're going to use the draw tongs to draw the wire as much as you can. Record any observations. As you pass it through, you're going to notice it getting longer. You might also notice it getting stiffer. There are some hints down here for that, okay? So hints. Move through the same die twice, but smaller. Wire becomes stiff. Why would it become stiff? Think about all that work hardening stuff we talked about. Okay. Re-taper, refile if you need to. Okay. Don't jerk it. Slow steadily. Use that Vaseline as needed. And rock the round end of the tongue so you can actually sort of like use some leverage with the draw plate to help you with it. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and put that in. Now I already created a table for you. Okay, oh, doesn't look good, but it's there. The die number on top, length and diameter. Where'd it go? But it's there for you because I wanted to save some time. Okay, when you're done, you're going to go ahead and record the information. Now the lab says to do this 10 times, but you may not have time for 10 times. Okay, but you're going to record as many pieces of data as you can. All right, the next part is for the graphing the data. Okay, so after you've drawn it through, you do need to do at least 3. Okay, but if you do more, that would be great. On your graph, as you make it, remember that you're going to put your independent variable, the one that you controlled, on the bottom. You guys were controlling diameter, so diameter is going to go on the x-axis. Okay, and you're using the caliper, so it should be in millimeters squared. Okay, for that, remember that you want to divide these up in a given scale. Okay, so I'm just using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter if your data was at 1.3. That's fine. That would go there. You want to keep a nice scale down here. Okay. On the x-axis, you're going to do, actually, you can do this. Length. Okay. That's going to go there. do that with this one. Didn't even think about that. Okay, so that's going to go on the bottom there. And you're going to, again, make sure that your scale is appropriately marked, okay, so that they are even intervals. So maybe this is 10 centimeters you start off with, then we go to 15. Whatever it is, make sure that you're going up by an even scale, okay. You should have some nice graph data there. You need to do it at least 3 times so you can get 3 points for it. Now your questions shouldn't be too tough. Okay, it's more observations than anything else. If you do have any questions, if you do that, please let me know. Like for example, one question: hypothesize what you think happened to the density of the wire during the drawing process. Give reasons for your hypothesis. Guys, think about density is mass divided by volume. Was the volume really changing the whole time? Length did, diameter did, but what did that do overall? Remember, mass times volume, volume for a cylinder, diameter times length is your volume. So think about what that happens, okay? Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and best of luck. If I can get it to stop.